Someone's knocking at the door. Someone's knocking at the door. Oh, can you hear him calling? Can you hear him knocking? He's been knocking very long. And he's been knocking for so long. Can you hear him knocking? Can you hear him knocking? Jesus, 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 he's at the door. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Jesus, 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 he's at the door. Someone's calling out your name, calling time and time again. Can you hear him calling? Can you hear him calling? He's been calling very long. Oh, yeah. And he's been calling for so long. Can you hear him calling? Jesus is calling you. Jesus, 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 he's at the door. The door. Don't let him walk away. Don't let him walk away. He's so patient, but don't take chance. All you have to do is open the door. Rightful place, so he can change your world, your world, your world. Yeah, yeah. Open up the door. Open up the doors of your heart. Open up the door. Open up the door. Yeah. Open up the door. Jesus Christ is calling. Open up the door. Open up the door. Why don't you at the door. Ooh, open up, open up, open up. Yeah. Open up the door for the Lamb.